Hišani, navadna hiša, res ni hiša kar tako. To hiša je eksperimentov, v njej vedoželjnim je lepo.
Živijo, sem Tomasz Ruszkowski. Dobrodošli v mojej hiši. We start with the doors and my lovely magnets. Here you can see the cool one from Hišo. Why it is not on the fridge? That's why. Next, some nice Swedish furniture, where I keep my znanosti ABC. This is, for real, my backpack from the kindergarten. Inside, glasses, navduševalec ID, bandana, and of course some fancy pens. Now let's go to the master bedroom. This is where the science happens. You think this one is fake, that there is no Michakos over my bed. Okay, you got me. Actually, it is Skłodowska. Moving to the last place. Here I keep all my festival t-shirts. And there is a strong representation of blue. This one is waiting for the next znanstival. Vse najboljše, Hiša.
Hišani, navadna hiša, res ni hiša kar tako. To hiša je eksperimentov, v njej vedoželjnim je lepo.